again to Ama's Corner. The name is Nanama Ekuma. Today I'm going to show you how to make Thai fried rice. I don't want you to spend so much money buying it outside. I just want you to try this at home. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. So I'm going to start by showing you the ingredients. I'm going to start by showing you slowly. Don't forget to take a pen and paper and write the ingredients down because I don't want you to miss any of these ingredients. Showing you my ingredients, I'm going to start by chopping all my vegetables. Everything is chop. So there is no hard work in it. So let's start. So I'm going to start by cutting my onion into smaller pieces, diced. So this is how it's going to be. Then you put it in here. So at this point I'm going to cut my fresh chili. I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. I love chili, so at this point I'm going to use 3. So my next one is carrot. Before chopping them into smaller pieces, I need to peel it out, peel the skin off. So after peeling it out, I'm going to divide it into 2 pieces. So this is how you're going to cut it. It should be a little bit bigger, like this size. Okay. Next is my green onion, that is shallot. So I'm going to cut root off. As you know, everything is being washed out properly, so you don't need to worry much. Okay, so now my shallot is being cut nicely. Okay, so this is called Asian leaves. If you go to the market, this is how they call it, Asian leaves. So at this point I'm just going to cut this side. So you're going to divide it like this. Yeah, cut it like you're cutting spinach or contomere. So at this point I'm going to grind my garlic a little bit with this mortar and pestle. So as you can see, I got 4 garlic. It's been cleaned up. Yay! So you just heat it up like that. Then you put it in your mortar. So I'm going to grind it. It shouldn't be too smooth. So this is how I want my garlic to be, as you can see. So done. Yay! So as you can see, I finished all my chop. It's a little bit lazy work, but it's good to do it. So now that I'm done with my veggies, I'm going to start cutting my chicken breast into smaller pieces. It's boneless, as you can see. Okay. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt on my chicken breast. Mostly Thai people do not do that, but because I want taste on my chicken, so I'm just gonna add a little bit and mix it up. It's ready to go. So as you can see, my pot is ready. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. My oil is ready. I'm going to put my garlic in there. I'm going to put my garlic in there. So I just want the garlic to overpower the oil, give it a different taste. So at this moment, I'm going to add my chicken breast to it. So as you can see, the garlic has covered the chicken breast. So you can use beef, you can use seafood like prawns and other seafood. At this point I'm going to put my diced onions to it. So I'm going to push everything at one side so that I make some scrambled eggs at the other side. So my egg goes in. Ready, so I'm going to mix it up with my chicken breast, my garlic and my onions. At this point my rice goes in. This is 3 cups of rice. You have to make sure your rice is cold. You shouldn't put it in really hot. It has to be really cold before putting it in. So my rice goes in. So this is jasmine rice. So after mixing it properly with the egg and the chicken breast, I'm going to add my vegetables to it. But the first one has to be the carrots. As you know, carrots are really hard. So the first has to be the carrot. So at this point I'm going to leave my carrots in. So at this point, I'm going to add my soya sauce to it. This is 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And you mix them together. Mix it properly so that the sauce can mix up the rice. My oyster sauce and soya sauce mixed together. So as you can see, it's mixed up properly. At this point, I'm going to add all my soft veggies, that is the shallot and the Asian veggies, and my chili. So as you can see, my Thai fried rice is ready to be served. So some people prefer chili on the side, so that is chili sauce. So at this point, you're going to use your fresh chili. You cut them into smaller pieces like this. Then you add 1 tablespoon of your fish sauce. So 1 tablespoon. The fish sauce, you add it together, then you mix it up, and your chili sauce is ready to be served with your Thai fried rice. Yay! That was an easy one. The secret behind this Thai fried rice is the oyster sauce. As you can see, some people do use the fish sauce as well, but today I use the oyster sauce. You guys have been so amazing. Thank you so much. There are more recipes, more guests, more things coming your way on Ame's Corner. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. The name has always been Nanama Ekuma. Bye and see you next time.